Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a login error on Twitter. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening another app or website to confirm your internet is working properly. Next, check your login details. Make sure you enter the correct email, username or phone number and the correct password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password on the lock screen. Follow the steps in to your email or phone number to restart your password. If it's login fail, update the Twitter app. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type apps and tap update if available. An outdated can cause login error. Now close the Twitter app completely and reopen it. You can also restart your phone to fix small system problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.